Some of the biggest reasons that dental implants fail is failing to plan. You need to take a correct CT scan to find where the correct placement of a dental implant is going to go. What we can do with technology is marry our CT scan and also our digital technology. So we can take digital photos and digital scanning to actually make a representation of a tooth so we know where we want to put it before we actually go into surgery. One thing that technology can do is cut down on the number of appointments and how much we have to change to make that surgery happen. We can do smaller surgeries because we can be more precise. I believe that because we also are the restorative doctors, we know where we want those teeth to go. So we want to make sure the implants go exactly where they need to go to give us the best result in the end. And that way our patients get the best result because we are making sure that the implants go with where we want the teeth to be. Dental implants can have a huge effect on somebody's health and well-being. Being able to smile, being able to eat and chew correctly, to be able to speak correctly. These all have such a huge impact on somebody's overall health and mental well-being.